We are getting ready for Red River Gorge, Kentucky, and I'm super excited. I'm like really excited. We're gonna begin our 5-day hike / camping trip to Red River Gorge, Stanton, Kentucky, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm super excited. I just got off work not so long ago. I just put in my last project. I had to turn it in for work, and then right now I'm actually going to visit my girlfriend. She actually surprised me, and I'm going to visit her one last time before I go on my hiking trip because I know she's freaking out a little bit. But yeah, so super excited for this, guys. I already packed my bag. Again, my brother and my friend Robert and his dog Jack is coming with us, and we're all going. We're gonna drive there. We're gonna drive most likely through the night. We're gonna sleep over at Rob's, and then we're going to get up early in the AM and just begin the haul there. And I'm super excited. I love road trips. If you guys know me, I'm a huge road trip guy. But I'm super excited for this trip, guys. I'm super excited. I got all my gear. I'll go over my gear once I get back home. I'm not gonna be out too late with my girl, but we're gonna go grab some ice cream and then do some last minute shopping for the trip. I think the last thing that needs to be taken care of is my brother is getting ready the snacks that we're prepping. I know they bought some meal prep already, some dehydrated foods. But yeah, guys, I'm just super excited for this trip. I hope I can do so many more of these. I need to find a group of people who are willing to go more frequently. It's a little bit easier for me because I have I work from home and I can really request off whenever I want. Pretty much, and my brother has unlimited days off too, but he doesn't like to request off that often. He doesn't want to abuse it. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited for this trip. I can't wait to show you guys more. But yeah. All right, guys, I just dropped my girlfriend Rachel off, and I am on my way now back home. I'm actually gonna stop by Walmart to grab a few last minute things, and I gotta get home and packing. It's almost 10 o'clock. I kind of overstayed my visit. But I'm gonna get ready, get packing, and hopefully everything will go well tonight. And we're waking up at 5 AM. That's the update I received, and we're leaving at 6. That's the goal. I'm ready, guys. It's gonna be a 7 to 8 hour drive. It's gonna be beautiful. I'm gonna enjoy it, and I'm gonna make sure to vlog the whole entire thing. All right, guys. Shit. Hey, what's good, baby? What's good, baby? What's good, baby? Hello, what's up, guys? We are on the way to Red River Gorge, Stanton, Kentucky. Pretty sick. We stopped by the Double T, grab some coffee, grab some food. Pretty tired. Sorry, guys, I didn't show you guys what's in the bag. What's in my bag? I'll show you guys that when I get back, or probably when I get to the camping site. How dare me is correct. But yeah, guys, so now we got a 7-hour drive ahead of us. As you can see, it is not 1:43. I think we'll get there 1:43. Yeah.
And this cop is gonna pull over this guy.
Yeah, exactly. Oh snap! You called it. I called it, bro. You called it. Damn, boy! Look at him going to work with a ticket. Damn. Yeah. Bad boys. Damn. So right now, we are in Indiana. Just chilling, we're walking Jack. I'm gonna take a picture with the Assyrian flag. Hello? We're going on a camping trip to Dennis Creek, Indiana. That's all we're gonna do. That's it, we're done. We're going back home, guys. Is that right? We're going back home. We're done. That's it, we're done. Dunzo. But we're in Indiana right now.
How many more states we got?
We've got two more states. And then we're gonna go back on our camping trip. But yeah, that's it. We're gonna stop, probably get some corn and stuff, and yeah, back on the road. Update.
Where we gotta go.
We're back on the road. Let's go, baby. We've got 4 hours left, 4.5 hours. Let's go. Woo! Update for you guys. It is 75 degrees today. We got an hour and 15 minutes left. It's beautiful outside, baby.
Because I'm here.
It's beautiful outside, baby. I'm super excited. We're gonna stop by Walmart, grab our fishing license. We're gonna grab a few other things. I'm stoked. Keep you guys updated.
Yeah. That's my biggest thing that is happening in Chicago. We gotta do it next year.
Canon, I think you gotta show them something on my screen.
Oh, snap. What's good, baby? 34 minutes left. And I'm getting pretty tired. And Mike has a baby.
No, he's got a baby.
You got a baby.
I ain't got no babies.
But yeah.
He said but.
I said but.
21 miles.
21 miles left.
And we don't have gas.
We are almost in Stanton. And we have plenty of gas.
I think we do.
We have plenty of gas.
Why don't you? Oh,
But
wait.
yeah, it's gorgeous. We're pretty much surrounded by mountains. Mountains right ahead. There's more mountains on the right. This looks like a going out of business. All right. Beautiful scenery though. And yeah. Flying colors. That was intense.
Follow the rules.
That was intense. Look at Jack. Jack's even peeing himself.
No, that's good. Jack didn't bark on him, bro.
Yeah, imagine if he starts barking at that cow.
The
No, but
dog.
you know, I'm happy they do this stuff, bro. Seriously.
Yeah.
That was very good. You passed the law.
We passed. And we got 32 minutes left. Let's go. 81 degrees. Back to the scenic shots.
I was like, what? No.
It's
I'll
too
hold
much.
it. Just give it to me. I'll hold it.
Okay, we'll switch.
Yeah, whatever. It'll be like holding a baby.
Yeah. I got an idea. Hold on. So we're getting ready. Packing some of the food in my bag.
All right, let's do
We're
it.
ready to go.
We ready.
We ready. We're going all the way down to the river. Oh god, my knees already hurting me.
Huh?
My knees already hurting me.
That's why you need these bad boys. My brother got me these.
Yes, I did. Bina? Already, yeah. I know. I've all my knees. right, made it over. Oh. Let's go.
No, you stay back. He goes in the front.
I stay back? Alright.
Not work.
It's in the back. Whoosh!
No. Heel, guys.
Water's over there. It's a beautiful day, folks. We ended up stopping like 15 minutes away from our destination just to come here. It's pretty nice so far. Met some nice people. Took a picture.
Yeah.
And we're hiking. Now we're gonna go to the camping spot. And I forget what else will be our videos. Look at Mike just strolling with his trekking poles. Chople. Chople, that's him.
No, I know, but.
There's a big beast here. There is a big beast here. Very big beast. Very big beast. It's a cave warning right there. There's a white bats in here.
Look at this guy.
And other insects. So they said this cave warning. Even though the other people said they always go in, but
Batman's cave.
good Jack drinking water.
Can I record it?
$50.
Uh-oh. He is serious.
Alright, boy. So serious.
Oh, wrong way.
You gotta go straight.
It's going down. See how it looks? I'm curious how it looks. I got a waterproof GoPro. Look at me. Alright guys, I'm gonna throw a light here so you guys can see me. Update. My GoPro died, so I had to just slow running it. I had to pause, but we actually changed hiking spots. As you guys were aware of, we were on a different trail. And anyways, we're on a different trail, and we changed. So now we are. Sorry. Now we are in a different camping spot. We started a fire. I chopped some wood. Well, my brother finished chopping the wood, but I knocked it down. We set up our tents. I'll show you guys the setup in a second. I'm putting on my sandals. Took off my hiking boots, but it was definitely was a hike. Oh, look at that shot, guys. So beautiful. Wow. But yeah guys, we're wrapping up day one. We're cooking up some kebabs. And little Jack right here, which you guys can't see. But I should probably put my headlight on so you guys can get a better look at what I'm looking at. Okay. Put my headlight on. Alright, there you go. That's the fire. That looks pretty sick, actually. Cool shot, bro. Right, buddy? Look at him. Alright, there you go. You guys can look at my shots now. But yeah. Mike, say hi to the vlog.
Yo, we about to have some kebabs. We about to slam.
Kebabs.
Some kebabs.
Rob?
Go get them out.
What's up?
What up, though?
What up? What up? Alright. So yeah. This is probably making it hard for you guys to see me, but yeah, so I think this should be good. But yeah, so we're packing, we're camping, and unpacking, camping, and getting ready to eat some grub. We're right by the water. Let me show you guys. Where the water is literally right here. So I'm gonna try my best to show you guys, but literally right here is the crest for the water. So then everything after that is water. You guys can't really see because the water is not gonna really show. Can I come down here? I can. Whoa. Almost fell. Here's the water. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Let me turn off my light so you guys can get a view of that moon again. Oh man, it's gorgeous, guys. It's beautiful. But yeah, I'm going to probably shoot a couple more shots for the end of the night. I might make an end of the night vlog, but I'm gonna probably get ready to call Rachel. Rachel, don't be mad at me. I'm calling you right now. Well, my phone's charging, but I'll call you soon. I'll be all right, guys. Hey guys, what's up? It's Cannon here, and yeah, as you can see, I'm in bed. It's been an interesting day, filled with a lot of fun, a lot of trials. I'll show you guys my tent. All right, so my certain flag there, first aid kit in case anything happens, power bank, and then I got just some basic wet wipes underneath the power bank. Got my bladder pack for water if I wake up thirsty. Just some garbage there. I've got my knee brace, glasses. I'm wearing contacts right now. They'll probably dry out in the morning. Got my headlight right here. I got my bag with all my other stuff in there, and I got my shoes in the corner. I think that's about it. My sleeping pad, sleeping bag, and I'm using my tent case stuffed with like my sweaters and jackets for a pillow. So that's pretty much been my setup. I have a pretty basic setup, and then I'm in a tent with a waterproof cover, and yeah, so today's been pretty awesome. Thursday, it's going to be Thursday, so tomorrow's day 2 of 3, then we have all day Thursday, all day Friday, and then Saturday. So we've got a minute, but I think we're gonna stay here another day, and we're probably gonna change spots Friday. I think. I don't know too sure. I'm not 100%, but yeah. So it's cool. We got a couple of things in between our group. So we have like an emergency sound. Just, you know, some basic things you need to set up when you're camping with a bunch of other people. But all in all, everything's going good. We just ate some kebabs. Yeah, I'm by running water, which is nice. Then we've got the fire, which I think is still on behind me. Yeah, there's a lot of spiders. But I think in times like these, your patience and your emotions get tested a lot. Yeah, I don't know. It's a definitely interesting experience, camping for the longest time. I'll be able to fall asleep, I know that much, and I'm not too worried about anything, but it's weird how emotionally you get mixed up from life when you start camping. It's an interesting experience. Yeah, but I'm super excited for the next few days. I'm hoping if it's not too cold that tomorrow we can go fishing. I'm actually pretty comfortable right now. I have where did I put it? Oh, here it is. So I have an emergency blanket in case I get really cold. I have that right there, so I can just grab that, undo it, and put it in my sleeping bag and kind of like hurl into my sleeping bag. But I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I really miss my girlfriend. And it's just hard because, you know, being with her the last few days, past few weeks, seeing her every day, just kind of just like, and then you just stop seeing her, it's kind of just like, but yeah, besides that, I miss my family as well. Yeah, I haven't done camping like this in a really long time. I go hiking all the time, one day hikes, but never camping trips this long. So yeah, I mean, we'll see how the rest of the trip goes, but so far it's all good. So far it's all peachy. Alright guys, that's it for tonight. I'm sure you guys got my vibes and how I'm feeling tonight. Yeah, so all these bugs in here. But yeah, so I mean, that's it. I will talk to you. Trying to kill this bug. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys for tuning in. And day one. Peace. And we're making a fire. We're making eggs. What's up, guys? Today is Thursday, day 2 of our camping trip. And yeah, yesterday it was cold. Last night was cold. I was cold. He was fine. Mike was a little bit cold.
It was cold.
It was cold. It was like 20 something. But today's the coldest day of the week, so we should be fine here on out. It's not that bad right now. It's good. Jack is cold. But yeah, we're warming up some wood right now. Boiling some eggs. Just gonna eat breakfast, you know. Scrum-diddly-yumptious. One thing about this water, I don't think there's any fish in here. I don't think there are any fish, which is unfortunate. Which means we're gonna have to walk and cast. It's a huge point. One of the huge reasons why I came out here was to fish in the wild. But yeah. Whew. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. The rest of you guys, same way. So I just made eggs, and I threw two pieces of butter in there, and it reminded me of Fisherman's Life, except we're not using fisheries. Well, we're using birds instead of fish. I wish it was fish though. But man, that butter made the eggs like fluffy like pancakes. Then I threw some beef jerky in there. It was good, right? It was very nice. Baby. IHOP, baby. I don't get it. All right.
Shut up.
That's it. Coffee time. We're oh man, my camera lens fogged. We are brewing Metropolis in the wild.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. This is I think you grabbed the La Cordella roast with the hints of chocolate and spice and graham crackers. Yes, it's very good actually. You guys should get it and try it out. I should get paid to Metropolis for this.
You got a
beautiful shot. Hey Mike, show everyone what you just made. And tell us what you're gonna do with it.
I'm gonna make me sausage egg McSandwich.
Yum. Look at that. Delicious.
Actually, don't have any sausage, so I might just put some beef jerky. Or, if you're a Syrian, you'll definitely
We have
appreciate
sausage.
bita u khurma.
Khurma, hello.
We have sausage. No, I'm just kidding.
Zing! We're not putting that.
No, you have to.
You know what sausage are you talking
good.
about?
Shuktanet. I'm talking about sausage.
We don't have sausage.
It's lemon, huh?
Guys, this is PG-13, please. But yeah, no.
It was right, it was out.
I think we're gonna finish up. I'm finishing up my coffee. We're gonna finish up breakfast soon and head out.
Pepper too. You just touched the camera.
Yeah. But you got yolk on the ledge.
Subject. What's up, buddy?
We don't have enough fire, so we need those.
All right, I'm back, and this time I got rid of a wide view, so you guys can see things a little bit closer instead of wide. But yeah, he just chopped down this whole entire tree. Well,
So
I was connected to that big one right there.
There's this uprooted tree there. It's still fresh. We've been having trouble finding good burning wood because they're all rotten. So we can get a flame started, but we can't hold it because the rotten wood has absorbed a lot of moisture. But this is pine, just filled with resin.
Filled.
It really is. If you smell it, it's really fresh. I
Yeah.
just spent like maybe 10 minutes trying to cut that down with this little saw, which, by the way, very, very good value. Really good saw. You got to put a little bit of work into bigger, wider pieces like this, but for the price you pay for it, it's amazing. So,
Just want to show you guys, hold on really quick, how big the tree is. From there, all the way there, and then you cut this piece off. That was like all the way out here. So you cut off like a good, I don't know, 10 feet of wood.
shall we pull it?
Yeah, it's like 10 feet, right? Yeah. Nice. Time to pull.
Put on all of them because I can't have it.
لا لا بكابو. How many are you gonna eat? 2?
I don't know. How many do we have there? 2, 4, 6? Yeah.
Can you go grab more?
I have enough. No, I'm not going.
It's a very thin piece. And then how many more? Khakina?
This is yours. Here too.
Khakina?
Kepo. You want to cut it? And here. No, don't.
Oh wow, that's good.
Can I tell you it's good? See.
Put together.
Oh, it actually looks nasty as shit.
It does look like.
Don't follow Mike. What's up, guys? How are y'all doing? Update. We're leaving. Yeah, we were gonna stay here until Saturday morning. It's Thursday morning. It's just too cold. We slept last night in 22-degree weather, and it was very, very hard. And it's just too cold to really enjoy anything, really. Right now it's 40 degrees, 42 to be exact. And it's not fun, you know, it's not fun. So we're going to go back in the car, and we're going to take a trip to Indianapolis. Yeah. And we're gonna just explore, have fun, you know, spend the night there. And yeah, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so sorry to, you know, bum chuck, but we are leaving a couple of days early. All right, guys, well, I'll show you guys what's next. It was fun, I'm not gonna lie, we had a lot of fun, even though it was just one night. It sucks, I bought like a $30 fishing license, and we got a 3-day pass, so I mean, it sucks, but it is what it is. Some Mother Nature dealt the cards to us. It was supposed to be sunny all week. It's supposed to be sunny and high temperatures all week, but it is what it is. And yeah, we're heading out. What's up, y'all? How you guys doing? It's me, and I'm awake. Just woke up. Getting ready to go. We were supposed to go out yesterday, but we didn't. We're old people, you guys. We're old people. But no, we just stayed in, took an early nap, and hit the road early. 7 a.m., 8 a.m. What time is it? 6 a.m.
No,
7 a.m. and we're getting ready to leave right now. Yeah, heading back to Chicago, and that's gonna be the end of this trip, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of the riding footage. Appreciate it, guys. Stay tuned for our next video. Have a good one. Peace.